It's my second month with Exclusive Beauty. The box is smaller. Is inside better? Stay tuned to see. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now. Chloe's still at school and Bandit's hanging out with my mom. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my second month with Exclusive Beauty, and they do provide dermatologist tested products. So great products. My first box was a bang it out of the ballpark. This box is a little smaller, but it may just mean that there's not a lot of air in there, not a lot of empty space. So we're going to get into this. We're going to see what it is. Now, the last time there was only one deluxe sample, and that deluxe sample was worth $30. It was a Skin Medica product that the full size was almost $200 in value. And then there were some freebie, like little tiny samples, but those were just kind of like extras. The entire bag, because it came in a little bag, did come out to a very high, like a very good retail value. All right, so here we go. I'm only feeling 3 products in here. Last time there was quite a bit more. Oh no, okay, there's a couple samples in here. So this does have some full size and some sample size. So the first thing in here is by EltaMD, and this is one of my dermatologist's recommended brands. This is their PM Restore Moisturizer. It helps restore skin to vitality and texture, and it has a $47 value. It is for dry skin, and it has niacinamide and antioxidants to help improve skin tone and texture, while hyaluronic acid and a ceramide hydrate strengthen the skin's moisture barrier. It is fragrance free, and again, dermatologist recommended. And here is how it looks. And this is 1.7 ounces, and that is a full size. Next, also by EltaMD, is their UV Sheer Broad Spectrum SPF 50. It's got a transparent zinc oxide, and it has UVA, UVB protection, and it is water resistant for up to 80 minutes. This is a full size valued at $37, and this is the 1.7 fluid ounces. So there's also a 3 fluid ounce, which you can get for $44, and this one for $37. So not a big difference. It would make more sense to buy the larger one if you were going to buy this from their site. It does say on the website that it absorbs quickly into the skin with a transparent finish and does not ball up. It also says that it's hydrating and non-greasy and helps to soothe heated skin. Okay, here is where the value is really going to hit. So those first 2 products, the very first product was more than the cost of the box. Put those 2 products together, we've got a really good deal. But now, I hope you're sitting down for this one. This is the PCA Ideal Complex Revitalizing Eye Gel. This is supposed to reduce puffiness, brighten, minimize fine lines, and reduce sagging eyelids. Yes, please, I'm trying this tonight. It's available in 2 textures. It's the cutting edge eye gel, which strengthens, firms, and lifts around the entire eye, including the eyelid. Its light gel texture is excellent. Doesn't say anything about another one though. I'm just reading what it says on here. Oh, read more, let's see. 1 product to treat dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging eyelids simultaneously. Can be applied directly to the eyelid to firm and lift. Has a silky texture. Rapid results seen within 1 week. All right, so in 1 week, I want to see this not be so droopy. I want to see this move up a little bit. Not a ton, just a little bit, so that I don't have so much trouble putting on eyeliner. All right, so this is full size, and this is a 1/2 ounce. And it does say you want to apply this morning and night and follow up with some SPF. And for this little guy right here, this full size little guy, $104. Get out of here. I can't even. Look at this size. But if it works, it's going to be worth every penny that I didn't pay. I paid like $38 for the whole box, so I gotta check it out. All right, next we have what I assume are the samples. All right, so this is by Sente, and it is the Dermal Repair Cream. It is 15 milliliters or a half of an ounce. This is something you're going to apply morning and night to a clean face as directed by your skincare professional. And this size right here is a sample size. Now, the full size of 30 milliliters is $113, and this is half of that. So this is going to be about a a $56 value, I would say $56.50 value for this little size right here. So, I mean, these must be miracle creams. I don't know, but I'm going to try it. So again, even though it's a sample, it is going to be very value driven. Now the 50 milliliter size is $164, but again, the 30 milliliter is $113. So that's going to bring us to around, you know, 55-ish. All right, next by PCA Skin is their Creamy Cleanser, and this is 1 fluid ounce. The full size of 7 ounces is $40, and sounds like it's just a cleanser, but it's creamy. All right, and then last in here by SkinCeuticals is their P-TIOX, PTOX, and it is for correcting, and I do have their site open. It's a peptide-powered serum inspired by the effects of anti-aging wrinkle neurotoxin injections, proven to reduce the appearance of 9 types of expression lines and reveal a glass skin radiance. It's a non-invasive wrinkle modulating serum that features the advanced peptide complex amplified by synergistic actives, 5% polyhydroxy acid, 5% niacinamide, and 1% laminaria extract to visibly correct wrinkles while improving the appearance of skin texture and radiance in just 1 week. It does say it's physician tested to complement neurotoxin injections and is effective on its own to achieve needle-free wrinkle correction without professional injectables. So the full size of this is 30 milliliters. And that goes for $148, and this is the 4 milliliter size, so probably like a little over a week's worth. So that is the exclusive beauty. I don't know why more people aren't grabbing this, but I will have some information down below. I don't think I have a code or anything, but it's worth a check out if you're really into beauty, and they're going to give you a whole ritual each month with some samples and some full size, really value driven, I feel like. And I think I would like to, let me know if you would like to see this go up against the Derm Store's Beauty Fix box, because I've been thinking about getting that, picking that up again for a period of time, and that might be a good go. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that. And if enough of you would, I will, pick it back up for 3 to 6 months. I'm not really sure. Last time I got 15% off, and it didn't matter the length of the subscription. So I picked up a whole year. I don't know if I'll do that this year, but I always liked it. I did really enjoy that box. So let me know if it's something you're interested in. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.